Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be doing a similar problem as seen in the last video. However, the numbers are a bit different as well as the problem just in general that we're going to be attacking. So in this problem, we're also going to be going over how to solve series and summations, but today we have a different problem. So again, as to reiterate from last video, this number that we have above the sigma is going to be the number that we essentially end at, and the number below the sigma is going to be essentially the number that we start with. So knowing that, we're going to go ahead and just list out all our values. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to stop at 6 because it matches the number above the sigma. So knowing that, we're going to take all these values and place it into one by one into m parentheses m minus 2 parentheses. So knowing that, we're going to go ahead and start with 1. So if we were to take 1, we're going to do 1 times 1 minus 2. And we know that 1 minus 2 is negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So if we take number 2 now, so we finished number 1, we can go ahead and cross that out. We can go ahead and do number 2, or 2. So we're going to do 2 times 2 minus 2. And 2 minus 2 is just 0, so 2 times 0 is going to be 0. So we finished 2. And now we're going to do 3. So 3 times 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 times 3 is going to be 3. The next number we have is 4. So we have 4 times 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 times 4 is 8. Go ahead and cross that one out as well. The next one we have is going to be 5. So we're going to do 5 times 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 5 is 15. And the last number we have is going to be 6. So it's going to be 6 times 6 minus 2. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Times 6 is going to be 24. So now that we have all these values, similar to how we did last problem, we're just going to go ahead and solve, or we're going to go ahead and add up all these numbers. So we're going to add negative 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8 plus 15 plus 24. And that's going to give us a total of 49, which is going to be the answer to this problem. And if you want more practice or another problem and how to solve this, go ahead and check out my last video. But for now, that is how you solve this problem.